how to turn a photo of yourself or anyone else into a custom avatar using one of Canva's powerful apps. Now let's get started. Okay guys, once you log into your Canva account, you're going to go to custom size, and I'm going to use 5 by 5 inches, then create a new design. Okay guys, so once that's pulled up, we're going to go to apps on the left side, and we're going to type in Animify. Okay, click on it, choose a file. I'm going to choose my picture. Use any picture that you want, then click on it. Okay, once it's done, you're just going to add to your design, and I think it did a pretty good job. And drag it out. Okay, you might have to play around with it some, guys, to get it to spread out. Okay, but overall I think it looks good. Okay, unfortunately, Canva only gives you 1 credit per day, so you have to come back the next day to get another one for free. Okay guys, this does look pretty good to me. You can actually use this as an avatar, or even on your profile page. You can go and click on the image itself and delete the background, and again, this could be your avatar, right? Or use on a profile page. Okay, so it left some of the chairs, so let's see if we can then maybe go back and let's erase it as best as we can. Okay, so once it's done, just click X, and so erase it. So guys, when it's done, just adjust your picture on the page, and just kind of center her, or center me, because this is a picture, an avatar of me. Okay, so guys, again, you can use this particular app to make an avatar or a profile picture of yourself. Okay, when you're done, guys, just go ahead, go to the right corner, click share, download as a PNG, and that's pretty much it, guys. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time, thrive with Darlett.